New York recorded at least 27 deaths from the ongoing winter storm as of the morning of December 26, bringing the total casualties in the United States to over 50. Erie County in the western part of New York State confirmed 25 deaths from the massive storm, which has killed at least 55 people across the country, according to NBC News. The snow is still dropping in the Buffalo area until December 27th, and up to 8 to 12 inches of additional snowfall is expected in some areas, said county officials. It's still a dangerous situation to be out, and it's way too early to say it's over as the storm is back now, said New York Governor Kathy Hochul on December 26. Lingering lake effect snows downwind from Great Lakes will become less intense and fade into Tuesday, said an advisory issued by the National Weather Service. Since December 21st, over 200 million people, or roughly 60% of the U.S. population, have come under some form of winter weather warnings or advisories.